Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low-driven shot. To execute this powerful technique, aim to keep the ball close to the ground, making it difficult for goalkeepers to save. This shot combines accuracy with speed, often resulting in goals from inside the penalty area. Focus on striking the ball with precision and power, ensuring it stays low and travels quickly towards the net. It's a fundamental skill for any aspiring player. Approach the ball at a slight angle, perhaps 10 to 15 degrees, to allow for a natural striking motion. Your non-kicking foot should be placed about 6 to 8 inches beside the ball, pointing towards your target. Lean your body slightly over the ball, keeping your chest down and eyes focused. This body position is crucial for maintaining balance and generating the necessary power while keeping the shot low. Strike the ball with the top of your instep or laces, making contact with the middle to lower half of the ball. This ensures the ball stays grounded. Drive through the ball, not just at it, using a firm ankle. Your follow-through should be short and directed towards the target, keeping your foot low to prevent the ball from rising. Imagine pushing the ball into the ground for maximum effect. Practice regularly by setting up small targets in the goal and aiming for them from various distances within the penalty box. Repetition is key to building muscle memory and consistency. In a game, use the low-driven shot when you have a clear sight of goal from inside the 18-yard box, especially when the goalkeeper is off their line or there are many defenders. Master this shot to significantly increase your scoring opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.